Welcome back to the channel. So today we've got a board joint. It's very visible. Sunlight's coming through these back patio windows. It's highlighted it and it looks a mess. So today, quick easy fix, how to get rid of board joints. Really easy, really simple. So I'm going to sand it down first. Okay, so sanding down the board joint actually feels quite smooth. When you sand down your board joints, you'll know if you get to your screw tape, don't go any further with your sanding. What you don't want to do is damage that screw tape. If you damage your screw tape, you damage the strength of your joint. What we're going to do now is we're going to give this a quick greasing in. We've got some gear here. Now, bear with me YouTube, it's -7 outside. And it was in my car all night and it was frozen. So what I need to do, hopefully, we had it sat in warm water in the bucket. Hopefully it's picked up enough and it'll be alright. Right YouTube, it looks a bit like cottage cheese. I'm not too happy with this, we'll see how it works. Can you see the lumps in it? So there we go. That is knackered. But we're going to persevere with it. It only needs to be a tight coat. I hope you're alright. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to give it a tight coat, we're going to give that 5 minutes, and we're going to give it another coat and just come past there. We'll sponge the edges in so we don't need to sand it. Okay, so I'll put my first coat on, it's semi-dry, I'm going to pass it now. I'm going to make sure I give it enough coverage so this board joint doesn't show back up again. So bear with me if you like I say, the gear's a bit knackered. It's been frozen all night. I'm doing my best to defrost it. So, when I put this next pass on, I'm looking to keep the edges as tight as I can. Okay, first thing, I'm going to send it into the bottom there, so I've got it right in. I'm going to use 2 hands on this now to look at all the crap in it. What I'm going to do is I'm just taking off everything on the edges. I'm going to give this side a pass. This is hard work. It shouldn't be, but like I say, -7, we've had a lot of trouble. Okay, so I've got the 2 coats on. I'm now going to bring these edges in lightly. Okay, so it's the medium colour sponge float. It's got a bit of water, a bit of moisture to it. You see, I'm feathering the edges in with the sponge float. And then I'll pass it again with a trowel. So again, I'm going to get a little bit of moisture on that bottom. At this stage, you need to make sure your trowel's clean, you've got a clean edge on it. And then come up, we're going to pass and take off everything what we don't need. So again, pass, come up this side, same again. Okay, you can see what we're taking off, it's barely anything. Okay, so that's how I do a quick repair and get rid of a board joint. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and that's just to show you it doesn't always go my way.